In this video, I'll show you how to use MACD or moving average convergence divergence indicator to trade binary options in a profitable way. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and implement everything right after watching this video. So watch this video very carefully. And after watching this video, if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, select the currency pair that you want to trade on, and then select the Japanese candlestick and then 1 minute time frame. So it means all of these candles are forming in 1 minute. Now select the duration of the trade. I would suggest you to go with 1 minute M1, and then decide the amount that you want to invest at here. Now let me show you by putting this MACD indicator at here. So to put the MACD indicator, just click on here and then select MACD this, and then click on here to enlarge it. Now you can see there are three things. One is this zero level. This is the important level, this zero. And then there are two lines, one is green, one is red, and this histogram. Now as you can see at here, these two lines are doing this crossover above this zero line. You should not trade in this kind of market with MACD indicator. Okay, so let me go a little bit backward. Now this is the zero line, okay, where this histogram is being up and down. So here is the down histogram, here is the upper histogram. Okay, so whenever this kind of crossover happens, okay, below this zero line, not above this zero line, okay, whenever this crossover happens below this zero line, okay, and histogram starts to show you this green bars, then that is the right signal to make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, whenever above this zero line the crossover happens at here, okay, and then histogram starts to show this red bar below, okay, this below histogram starts to show this red bar, that is the proper signal to make trade by clicking on lower. Now one important thing. So in order to make trade with MACD indicator, you need to find a trending market, okay, either if it is falling down or moving up. Okay, if you trade on a flat market, okay, so this is also a good market, it is falling down, okay, you can trade in this kind of market, but make sure these crossovers are happening. If you want to make a lower trade, then crossover should happen above the zero level, okay, and if you want to make higher trade, then crossover needs to happen below this zero level, okay, to get the trade right. Okay, and you should always ignore this kind of flat market. Okay, so if you see the market is going up and down and it's flat, at that time you need to avoid making trade, because MACD will produce lots of fake signals at that time. At other time, whenever it is trending, it's fine. And if you can't determine the trend, then there is one way to do that. Just click on here and click on moving average, okay, and then here you will see the moving average. Just click on this pencil icon and then make this SMA EMA, okay, and then select 200, okay, and then in the style you can select it anywhere, like yellow is fine, okay, make it like 2px or 3px, so that you can see it clearly. So whenever the market is above this green line, that means market is in uptrend, okay, and whenever it is below this green line, then it is in downtrend, okay, and whenever the, so let me show you, whenever you see this kind of thing, okay, like it is neither up nor down, this is the place where you need to avoid the trade, okay, and other place where you need to avoid the trade is extremely directional trade, like it is going totally upward and it is a uptrend market, but here you can see it is above the zero level, it is making crossovers at the above level. So at these points you need to ignore the trade. Okay, always remember, below this zero line it need to be a crossover to make higher trade, and above zero level you need to have a crossover in order to make lower trade.